I'm Tanya and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share with you a home remedy to prepare an anti-aging and skin whitening rice cream. And I've also previously shared a video on how to make rice cream at home. But many of you have requested me to prepare a rice cream without the corn flour because the corn flour in that cream was making your skin a little bit dry. So here I am with an updated version of the Korean inspired rice cream which you can easily prepare at your home. This homemade rice cream will whiten and lighten your skin complexion. It will also remove your fine lines and wrinkles and will help in removing your dark spots, pigmentation and acne scars and blemishes, and will make your skin super smooth, soft and supple. So the main ingredient of this rice cream is white rice. White rice is rich in vitamin B and it is a powerful antioxidant which boosts collagen production and removes all your wrinkles and fine lines. White rice has been used as a natural beauty treatment for thousands of years in Japan and Korea, and this beauty treatment has helped many Japanese and Korean women to keep their skin fair, soft, supple and beautiful. Rice also helps to hydrate, moisturize and protect your skin from several skin diseases. It is rich in many vitamins, minerals and nutrients that helps to promote the growth of skin cells, slowing down the process of aging, and increases the flow of blood, which automatically improves your skin complexion and makes your skin much fairer, glowing, smooth and spotless. So now let's see how to prepare highly effective rice cream at home. And for that you firstly have to take 2 tablespoons white rice in a clean bowl, and then you have to thoroughly wash it with the help of water. And after washing the rice properly, you have to take a pan and then add 2 to 3 cups of water in it along with the washed rice. And now put it on heat and cook it until it becomes thick and mashy like I'm showing you in the video. And now you have to strain this overcooked rice with the help of a strainer and take out all the rice paste out of it. And after straining it nicely, your homemade rice paste is ready and it will look like this. And the consistency of this rice paste should be a little thick and creamy as I'm showing you in the video. And now you have to add vitamin E oil in this rice paste. And if you don't have this oil, then you can even use 2 to 3 vitamin E capsules which you can easily find at any pharmacy store. So here I'm adding half a teaspoon of vitamin E oil in this rice paste. And after adding the vitamin E oil, you are going to need glycerine, and here I am adding 1 teaspoon glycerine in it. So after the glycerine, you have to add the last ingredient, which is the aloe vera gel, and here I am adding the ready-made one, but if you have the pure one then you can even use that one. So now I am adding just 1/4 teaspoon aloe vera gel in it. So now after adding all the ingredients, you just have to mix everything really well to make a smooth and creamy mixture. And after mixing everything really nicely, your homemade anti-aging and skin whitening rice cream is ready, and it will look like this. And the consistency of this rice cream should be very creamy and a little thick like I'm showing you in the video. So now I'm just transferring this homemade rice cream in this small airtight container, and you can use any airtight container to store this cream, and you can store this cream in refrigerator for up to 10 to 15 days. So now let me tell you how to use this homemade rice cream. So you just have to take a little amount of this rice cream and apply it all over your face and neck, or you can even use this rice cream on your whole body. Just apply this cream all over your skin and then massage it for good 30 to 45 seconds. And you can use this cream as a day cream, night cream, or even before your makeup as a moisturizer. And if you want to take best results out of this cream and want it to make your skin much fairer, glowing, radiant and spotless, then you have to use this cream twice a day, once in the morning and the other before going to bed. So that's it for this video, and if you like this video then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye bye, take care.